In today's fast-moving manufacturing world, finding the right tools and suppliers shouldn't slow you down. Welcome to MakeYouEasy, your all-in-one B2B e-commerce platform built for the manufacturing industry. From CNC Cutting Tools to Machine Spares, measuring gauges, and essential CNC accessories. But we're more than just a marketplace. At MakeYouEasy, anyone can register and start selling. Whether you're a manufacturer, distributor, or trader, to Quand, your business has a place here.
We connect sellers with serious buyers across industries, helping you grow faster and smarter.
And for businesses that need flexibility, we offer B2B credit options, so you can buy now and pay with ease. Register today. Start selling. Start growing.